don't know about you, but I like to have some extra fabric face masks in my purse or car and wanted a way to store them to keep them clean. So this tutorial walks you through how to make a mini face mask pouch in 5 minutes that will fit just about any fabric face mask. For the purpose of this video, I'm showcasing both a pleated face mask and a 3D face mask. Since I threw down the gauntlet saying this will only take 5 minutes to complete, we're going to move through this really quickly. The only materials you'll need for this mini pouch are 3 pieces of 100% cotton fabric that you've cut to 4 inches by 6 inches. You'll also want some sewing clips nearby. This pouch basically behaves like a fold-over sandwich bag. So, first we're going to create the outside flap of the pouch. Take 1 piece of fabric and fold it over 1/4 inch. Finger press and clip to hold it in place. Then fold it over another 1/4 inch and clip to secure for sewing. To get started sewing, you want to place the fabric right side down on your machine and use a 1/8 inch seam allowance to secure the inside edge of the fold. Now we finish the edge of the inside front panel. Take a second piece of fabric, place it right side down, and fold a long edge over 1/2 inch toward the center. Clip, then use a zigzag stitch to secure. This also helps prevent fraying. To form the pouch, you need to layer the fabrics. The piece of fabric for the back panel still measures 4 inches by 6 inches, and the other 2 pieces of fabric have finished edges. The front outside panel fold over has the double folded edge, and the front inside panel was finished with the zigzag stitch. Take the back panel and place it right side up. Take the front outside panel, line it up with the top edge, and place it right side down onto the back panel. Finally, take the inside front panel and line it up with the bottom edge and place it right side down as well. Clip around the whole rectangle except for a 2-inch turning hole on the bottom edge. Sew around all of the edges of the rectangle using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Remember to leave a turning hole at the bottom. It should be about 2 inches. Clean up all your edges by trimming any extra threads, then clip the corners to remove any bulk. Turn the mini pouch right sides out and poke out all 4 corners. Find the opening for the hole and lightly finger press, then clip so you know where to sew to finish the pouch. Top stitch 1/8 inch away from the bottom edge to close the turning hole. Then use a zigzag stitch to finish the inside top edge to prevent fraying. Our pouch has been completed in record time. So this is how I typically put each mask type in the pouch. It's easy to use and it's compact, so it will fit virtually anywhere. What fabric in your stash do you already have earmarked as a perfect fit for this project? If you're looking for fun and easy appreciation gifts to make for teachers and other community members, why not pair this 5-minute pouch with a 3D mask? All combined, this useful gift should take less than 20 minutes to make.